Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare pork schnitzel. Yeah, man, I eat. Forward, let me show you wagwan. Here I have 2 pieces of pork tenderloin, and you want to keep those fatty pieces on there, because that will help to make the pork moist, right? It came in a package with 2, and they were this long, so I have half this amount in my freezer, and I took half out to prepare now. First thing you want to do is to cut them into a desired size. I'm gonna cut it slanted to about 2 inches long. So now that we got this in 6 perfect pieces, so I'm gonna put that back in the bowl. You want to get yourself a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag. We're gonna go ahead and place one inside the bag. So you let the air out and seal it. You're going to use the flat edge of your meat tenderizer. I'll leave in the description box down below where you can get this at Amazon. So you put the meat in the middle of your Ziploc bag, or if you have a plastic bag, we're going to pound this out flat to about 1/4 inch thick. I'll put it in the bag so that it doesn't splash all over the place, right? And you don't damage the meat. So there we have it, and we do this so it cooks quicker and evenly right across. Just gonna put that aside and repeat this process until you have all flattened. And not only did we double in size, but we also got them evenly thin so that it cooks evenly. Just a reminder, this was already washed with lime and vinegar, right? So I'm gonna go in with a touch of salt and pepper. Just give it a little flavor at the beginning. So while you're doing this, you'd want to turn on your fryer or your frying pan. If you're using a frying pan, you use 1 cup of oil and heat that up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the same goes for your deep fryer. Today I'm going to be doing this in a deep fryer. Be gentle with it because remember, it's flattened, so you don't want to break the pieces. Just rub that salt and pepper in gently. Alright, so that's good. So we're gonna set that aside and start with the batter and the breading. So to start the batter, going in with some all-purpose flour, going in with 1 egg, milk, touch of salt and pepper, just a sprinkle, and that's M for Morris style. Then we're just gonna whisk that until all the ingredients combine and lump free. So I could have simply just made like an egg wash, but that won't allow my breading to stick onto the pork schnitzel the way I want to. So when I make a batter, it helps to stick your breading on better. So that's the consistency you want. Not too thin, not too thick. I'm gonna set that aside and work on the breading. So for the breading we have oregano, parmesan cheese, all-purpose seasoning, basil, and of course panko breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of that into our mixing bowl. Just mix that together. So to start, we're going to get a piece of our pork loin. We're going to place that right down into some all-purpose flour. Pat it down, flip it over, and repeat. Ensure to coat all the naked spots. Tap the excess flour off. So we do this so that the batter sticks on to the pork loin. Just going to go directly into our batter. Flip that over and ensure to coat all the naked spots once again. Lift that out, bring the excess batter off, and then into the panko breadcrumb. So we'll just pat that down and ensure to have 1 hand for the dry ingredient, 1 for the wet. Just gonna get some of that, sprinkle on top. Then you're gonna press that down. Flip that over, coat it again, shake the excess off. So after we get the first coating of panko on, we'll go back into our batter, drain the excess off, and back into the breadcrumb. Over on top, and press. Flip that over, and repeat. Take the excess off. And there you have it. As you can see, you're not seeing any bare spots. That's what you want. It's coated all around. We're just going to finish up our remainder of our pork loins and we'll be right back. They're all coated and ready to fry. We're gonna fry these until golden brown. We're not trying to cook it all the way through because we're gonna finish these off in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. So about 2 minutes in the deep fryer just to get them nice and crispy and golden brown. So forward, I'll show you how I go on. I'm gonna go in with 2 at a time because they got really big. I'm just gonna pull those up, allow them to drink. So that's the color you wanna achieve. Nice and golden brown. Very crisp. That's what we're looking for. I'm gonna place that into a casserole dish that I already lined with grease paper. We're gonna repeat this process until all your schnitzels are fried. We're gonna pop these in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, and in the meantime, we're gonna make the sauce for it. A delicious Alfredo sauce. So forward, show you how I go on. And you can see more details on this video. I'll leave a link in the description box to show you how to make the perfect Alfredo sauce to go with your pork schnitzel. Gonna cut into this and show you what it looks like. And there you have it, pork schnitzel made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Egg. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. I'm going big up on yourself.
I'm see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.